Greetings, Spartans, and welcome to Backpacks to Briefcases. Today is Friday, October 9th, and we are hosting Cooking with the Pros. It is our live cooking demonstration with Corporate Chef Kurt. Corporate Chef Kurt is the Senior Executive Chef of Culinary Services Residential Dining in the Division of Residential and Hospitality Services at Michigan State University. As the Senior Executive Chef, he sets the standards for all the menus in MSU's residential dining halls, monitors and upholds food standards, runs the research and development of new menu items and recipe development, and develops culinary training for all full-time and management staff. He holds a bachelor's degree in food systems management and economics and a master's degree from the School of Hospitality Business from Michigan State University. He is also a graduate of the Culinary Arts of America CEIP program. Chef Kurt is an active member in the American Culinary Federation, winning numerous medals in culinary competitions and several certifications, as well as presenting at regional and national conferences. Welcome again to Cooking with the Pros with Chef Kurt.